Need an easy way to boost revenue from your existing e-commerce customers? Upselling is a proven way to increase sales. Plus, it's a lot easier to sell to existing customers or those committed to becoming customers than it is to start from scratch. In this video, I'll show you how to present a targeted upsell offer your customers can't refuse. But first, if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Now, let's get started. With an in-cart upsell, you can automatically display a targeted offer to customers who are already in the process of buying and entice them to spend more. And bonus, offering the right upsell at the right time can win customer loyalty. The stats show that customer lifetime value increases when you upsell. But how do you get the timing just right? Well, that's where a tool like OptinMonster comes in. OptinMonster's display rules put you in the driver's seat, letting you show the right offer to the right people at just the right time. And I'll show you how in just a bit, but first, let me show you how easy it is to create a campaign in OptinMonster. With OptinMonster, you can create your upsell offer in a matter of minutes. Select one of our campaign types, and then simply edit one of our templates to match your style and brand. Or use the Canvas template to create a completely customized campaign from scratch. You can even create a two-step opt-in, increasing the likelihood of your customers taking the offer. As explained by the psychology principle, the Zeigarnik effect, people who begin an action are more likely to complete it. That means your customers who select the yes option are almost guaranteed to lead to an upsell. With our easy-to-use drag-and-drop builder and inline editor, designing and editing are a breeze. And our Unsplash integration gives you seamless access to a vast library of high-quality, royalty-free images. And with this campaign, I'm doubling down on my marketing efforts. I'm looking to score an upsell and grow my email list by offering a small discount on the upsell in exchange for the customer also signing up for my newsletter. After they signed up for my newsletter, I can share the discount code and steer them to the product I just upsold. But let's get back to the secret sauce of OptinMonster, the display rules. After you've finished designing your campaign, it's time to set your display rules. Here, you determine where, when, and to whom your campaign appears. For example, you can use page-level targeting to display your upsell not just on the cart page, but on any page that helps customers make a purchase decision. And since OptinMonster integrates with all the major e-commerce platforms, you can easily create specific rules for your WooCommerce, BigCommerce, or Shopify store. For example, you can target customers browsing specific products, categories, or tags, and you can also target customers based on the items they already have in their cart. And when you combine these display rules with our other trigger, targeting, and personalization rules, you can create an entire upsell sales funnel that puts the right offers in front of the right customers at exactly the right time. And let's talk about cart abandonment for a minute. OptinMonster has proven to reduce cart abandonment with its signature exit intent technology. So let's say you've managed to convince your customer on the upsell, but they just aren't quite ready to complete the purchase. You could create another campaign targeting the cart total and combine it with our exit intent technology to present an offer for free shipping once your customer's cart total reaches a certain threshold. You'd be surprised how often this works. Not only did you win on the upsell, but you grew your email list and won on the cross-sell as well. Alright, I hope you take these ideas and run with them. If you're serious about using upselling to boost your e-commerce revenue, you need a tool like OptinMonster. As a thank you for sticking around to the end, I'd like to offer you a special discount on your purchase of OptinMonster. Just use the code OMVideos at checkout and let me know in the comments how you're using OptinMonster to upsell or even cross-sell to your customers. Thanks for watching.